Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. We're about to go into this church making all that miraculous. This is the Basilica of the Sacred Heart on campus at the University of Notre Dame. I'm going to go inside, take a look around a little bit, show you a little bit about the facility, a little bit about the process, because I'm going to sit up front, and a little bit about the message, of course. I don't do these videos without the message. So come on with us as we just enter the Coolest Life Church Edition. Such a beautiful place. Well, I guess I should have got here a little earlier. I'm actually behind this main seating area. Well, the main seating area is actually that way. As you come in the front door, which is dead ahead. But it is a beautiful facility here. Looking forward to the service and all the stand-ups and sit-downs that they do here. This is what it looks like after game day. So they had a big game day. So you figure people coming in from all over the country and coming here to the game. And when they get here, they spend the night and they attend church the next day here. So that's the situation we're in now.
Some brass and stuff up at the holy head, a small beadboard, and a tense, musty, unignorable silence. Through God knows how long. Hatless, I take off my silent lips in awkward reverence. Move forward and run my hand along the front. He makes himself really present under the signs of red and white at every mass, because we need that tangible sense of his presence. Each of us is called to holiness, and the church has long built places set apart. That's what holy means. Lateran Basilica is the oldest and most privileged of these major churches in Rome, dating back in its spot to the 12th century to the Emperor Constantine, and it stands
foreshadowed visible display. All names must be treated equally. Giving thanks and giving his disciples, saying, take this, all of you, and eat of it. For this is my body, which will be given for you.
Right here on the side, they do have a whole lot of depictions of Christ's crucifixion. Lots of good, beautiful stained glass all throughout this building. I do have another one that talks about just the building itself, the Basilica, but that you got a chance to attend service here. And that pipe organ sounded amazing. So glad I got a chance to attend church here. I wanted to come here. It seems like every time I've been here, it's been football game day, which is normally on Saturdays. Never got a chance to actually stop in and be a part of the regular service. Glad I did. The service was only about an hour, partly because they want to get everybody out of here and get the new group in here so they can have their second service, which is at 11. So this one here was which was at noon. This one here was at 10. But really glad we got a chance to come in here and partake of communion. So that was good. And looking forward to the rest of my day here on campus. Check out my other video I'll be having here about the campus, how beautiful it is. But I'm going to let you go. Be sure to subscribe so I can get back here and live with the cool stuff. Church edition.